Hi guys, Simon here from Shimano Fishing New Zealand. Today we have the brand new Forcemaster 3000 electric reel straight out of Japan, and this is just a quick little video on how to calibrate and spool your electric reel correctly using the L1 learning method. Using the cable that's supplied in box, you want to plug that end into the bottom of the reel. Now that that's nice and secure, you want to make sure that you have a reliable 12 volt battery supply and plug the negative and the positive into the correct terminals. We just use an automotive car battery. You want to make sure that you're giving yourself enough space on the bench to be able to accurately measure out 10 meters of line, which I'll touch base about later on in the video. And today we're using Power Pro Super Slick 50-pound line. First thing we've done here is we've tied the line off onto the spool pin using a uni knot. The next step you want to do is make sure that the reel is zero set by holding down the zero set button for 3 seconds. Now that the reel is zero set, you want to go through to the calibration menu by holding down the zero set button and the menu button together for 3 seconds. Now that we're in the calibration menu, you'll see the different calibrating methods. To select L1, use the pickup button 3 times to scroll down to L1. Now that you see that there, you push the menu button to select. Now that you're in L1 learning method, you want to engage the reel by using the clutch lever into engage, and you're ready to wind. By using the technical lever and holding some tension on the spool, you can start winding. During spooling, you want to make sure that you're holding enough tension on the spool to hold the tension at 3, which is displayed on screen. Now that the reel is full of braid, to put into calibration mode, you want to hold down the menu button for 3 seconds. Now that we're in calibration mode, you want to cut the line at the closest point to level 1. Make sure that you hang on to your braid. Disengage the reel by flicking the clutch lever into the off position, which disengages the reel. As we mentioned earlier in the video, you want to have enough bench space to be able to accurately measure up to 10 meters by pulling line out from the reel. As you'll see, we've got a meter ruler here on the bench, so I can accurately measure up the line. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that you've finished measuring off your 10 meters of line, to calibrate the reel and to finalize the process, you want to hold down the menu button for 3 seconds. And now that you've finished that, that is the Shimano Forcemaster 3000 electric reel, spooled, calibrated and ready to fish.